as a project manager, aware of the critical role mentoring plays in team development and project success, you face a dilemma with a high potential team member in need of mentoring amid tight budgetary constraints. Okay, how do you reconcile the need for mentoring with budget limitations to ensure both immediate and long-term project success? So that seems to be a real life challenge for many of us as a project manager. We want to educate our team, we want to mentor them. At the same time, many a time we are doing firefighting, we don't have enough time to do all these activities. So how do you handle as a project manager? That's the question. Option A, postpone the mentoring program to focus on meeting current project milestones without straining the budget. Most of the time you will do this, I guess, in your real world. But I would say that, can I balance? Can I do something better than I just say mentoring is next? Because I understand as a project manager, I need to I need to develop my team as well. And especially when the question is putting a mentoring situation, I can't say the mentoring is not relevant, budgeting is more critical. Yeah. So if I can find a balanced approach, it will be a better idea rather than just strictly saying, let's not do mentoring right now, let's deliver the project. Yeah, let's see. Option B, utilize a cost-effective mentoring strategy by engaging willing stakeholders to mentor the team member. That's a great idea. You can say, as a project manager, I'm innovative. I find ways, I find workaround. And if I can make my stakeholder mentor my team members, it will also create a better communication between stakeholder and team member, at least that one. And that will create better trust and overall project success will improve. So that has other advantages also other than just focusing on mentoring alone. So B is a great idea in this particular context as of now. Option C, request additional fund for detailed external mentoring program, emphasizing its long-term benefit for the team. Possible, but like A, the C is also little extreme. You can say nothing is possible till the time I get more money because I want to send people outside. Usually you send people outside for training, not necessary for mentoring. Mentoring done by external people is little less likely. And here we want to focus on budgetary constraint as well. But we have an option C which talks about, option B which talks about balancing these two needs. So I don't have to take an extreme step and set the guy, I need more money because I need to send this person to external mentoring program. Recommend independent learning for the team member on project risk management, utilizing available resources within the existing budget. A great idea, but it's not a mentoring idea. It's just like, okay, you read more about it. You need to manage your time. Why don't you start preparing for it? But it may not give the skill as we spoke about training and mentoring sometime in our previous questions as well. So this idea is a training idea. It is not efficient for mentoring idea. Yeah? So out of these four available, we can safely go with option B. This particular question is mapped to people domain task 13, focusing on mentor relevant stakeholders. And yes, we explored the idea related to mentoring, the cost management, and also stakeholder engagement.